Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. So the following video is based on how you can recover your online banking account of Citi Bank. So the procedure to recover your account is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to follow the step correctly. Before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Also, you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, right on top there is a search box. Type in the link that is online.citi.com, and also you can find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link on the other page, you will be directed into the official site. So then on the same page in the right hand side corner, you can see a login page. So first of all, in order to log in, you must enter your user ID. And in case if you don't know your user ID, or in case if you are confused regarding your user ID, so you can leave it blank. And on the password, do the same thing, leave it blank. In the bottom right corner, you can see there is forgot user ID or password. So out here, you'll have to select accordingly. In case if you have forgotten your user ID, so then tap on user ID. And in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on password. So then the method to recover in both of these following options is similar. So as I've forgotten my password, so then I'll tap on password. As you tap on it, on the other page you will land inside support center. So over here you can see there are a list of options. So from here you'll have to select according to your account type. So once you select your account type, next you'll have to provide your information accordingly. So out here you can see that I've selected the first one, that is checking, saving or credit card customer. Out here you can see that I've already selected my account type, and under it I'll have to provide information that includes either my ATM card number or debit card or credit card number. So then make sure to enter your information correctly. As you're done entering your information, once again make sure to recheck it. Only then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. As you tap on continue on the other page, you get to reset or recreate a new password. So then after you're done creating a new password, so then on the login page, enter the following information that you've created recently. So once you tap on login, on the other page will successfully land inside your online banking account of Citi Bank. That is how you can log in into your online banking account of Citi Bank in an easy way. So that's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.